Do you guys want to see the only one-bedroom condo currently on the market in Fort Greene? Come on, let me show you. Welcome to 174 Vanderbilt Avenue, apartment 408. I'm Sylvia Demova, a licensed broker with Sirhan. Let me show you guys around. This generous 750 square foot home offers tall ceilings, wide blank hardwood floors throughout, central AC, in-unit washer and dryer for your ultimate convenience, and tons of storage. Claremont Greene is a rare full-service condo in coveted Fort Greene, offering the best of amenities and convenience. Doorman, fitness center, 2 shared roof decks, a landscape garden, cold storage for deliveries, and underground parking available separately. The location is simply unbeatable. Fort Greene is at your fingertips, and some of the best shopping and dining is along Myrtle and DeKalb Avenues. Transportation is a breeze with multiple bus and train lines, all within minutes. So run, don't walk. Come check this out.